Okay, whoops, stop. That was a picture. Let's try it again. Was that a picture too? Okay. So I wanted to replace these sunglasses that I bought in Mexico in the Moon Palace in, well, say Riviera Maya. Riviera Maya. What do they call that? Come on. That's the second largest reef in the world. God damn. Anyways, it's just south of Cancun. So these were blue mirrored aviator style sunglasses. They're Oakleys. They are scratched on the front. There's some nicks there. Little scuffed, little dirty. So, oh, looks like, look at that. You can see what's behind you. So I wanted to get them replaced. And so I went online. Actually, I looked in a mall in Champaign, Illinois, and they were almost $300 for a pair, a similar pair. And I thought, that's too much money. I'm not spending that kind of money. So I went online and I thought I found a pair of Oakleys for 200-ish some dollars. And then a website came up called Jollynova, and Jollynova had all sorts of different sunglasses, all sorts of different styles. And there was buy one pair for $30, get the second pair 30% off. Thought it was a pretty good deal. I thought, well, I'll try them out. Let's face it, there's nothing really about these that makes them worth $200 other than some people pay that for them, and that's what Oakley charges for them. So these came out of Taiwan. I'm going to move this down now. These came out of Taiwan, and they were shipped. Took about 2 weeks, a little more to get here. Not terrible, honestly. The only weird thing was, maybe I don't need to do that. The only weird thing was is that they didn't send me an email confirmation. Honestly, I don't remember if they took an email, but they did take a phone number. But they never sent me a text message to say the order went through, it was shipping or anything. So I actually had my fraud detection go off twice when I was trying to order it, so I had to have a phone call with my credit card company to tell them it's not fraud. And then I tried the third time, and it seemed like it went through. But since I never received confirmation from anything from anybody, I thought, well, maybe it didn't go through, and maybe that's a sign, and I'll just let it go. But today I came home from work. Here this was sitting on the front porch. Feels like 2 sunglass packages. That's what I'm assuming it is. There's really no origin stamp on here, so let's open these up and see how dorky I look in these. There's your case. Pretty decent. No receipt, no paperwork. Done with that. Here's another case. It says Jollynova on the front. Has a little clip, a little zipper. And I ordered 2 pairs. I wanted to get another blue mirrored pair, as well as I got another pair. And which ones are these? These look like the red mirror. Come with a lens cleaning cloth. And let's see what these look like. Oh, they got overextension protection on them. Just a standard aviator style. The one thing I really don't like about aviators, and I wish someone would come up with a better solution of the wire nose holder, is they always seem to get bent pretty easily, and these look like, honestly, they're bent out of the way. And I kind of have a big nose, so we'll see how that fits. Oh. Well, now they look really awkward. Well, why don't I give it a try before I do too much here. They're clear. They're clean and new, obviously. They don't really have any, I see a little something there. Can you see my eyes behind them? Yeah, a little bit. So I'd say they definitely could have more mirror on them. But they look nice. They appear to be decent quality. I mean, they're not made out of cardboard. As far as I can tell, they're not going to fall apart. They have a pretty good reflection in them. So this pair was, I believe, red and black. There's no packing slip or anything, so I can't really look and see. It's too dark to see what this looks like on the inside. Like a nice soft felt lined case. Pretty decent, I think, for the money I paid. I think that's a better deal than a pair of Oakleys. Let's see. Put those in there. Well, let's try out the other pair. So not only did they have a plastic bag over them, but they also had another little plastic liner around the glasses, and then each pair comes with a lens cleaning cloth. Yeah, and these are the blue ones. These look similarly as nice. Same protective covering. Yeah, these are blue and gray. Not as maybe mirrored or blue as the Oakleys. Almost more of a green. I'll have to watch the video with the glasses off, because with the glasses on I can't really tell. See, in this camera they look the same, and this one they look a little different. They fit well. They feel comfortable. Time will tell, of course, after a long day or a long drive. I do like that they have the overbearing protection, or overbending. They're lightweight, thin frames, just like what aviators are. The Oakleys didn't really have that protection, and they had more of a straight side, which I did like. But after a while, these could wear on my ear back here and rub me the wrong way, but I'm sure anything could. And I like to chew on that a little bit, so that rubber ended up a little, that could slide off too. But they're a good pair. They lasted a long time, and never had a case for them. These are prisms. I never had a case for them, so I kind of always just had them laying around. When I had a work truck, this was what I took along in the work truck, because they were the first pair of nice sunglasses I had that got scratched up. So I never really did take super great care of them. They've lasted a long time. They're all right yet. I just noticed that when I was wearing them that they had some bad spots in them, and it kind of drove me nuts, and I wanted to get a new pair. So here you go. jollynova.com. They were $30, and they're comfortable, and I think they look all right. I think they have the appropriate amount of mirror in them for what I was looking for, and they look clean. So I think I would recommend them, and maybe I'll try another pair. They had some different, unique-looking varieties, more than just the plain standard aviators. So maybe it's time to give them a try. And that's that. Hope you find this useful and enjoy it. Bye.